Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to delete the search history on Safari on your iPhone. Now the first thing we want to do is head over to the settings on your iPhone. Now from the main settings we want to swipe down until we get to Safari. I want to tap on Safari and then we want to swipe down again till we get to this section here, Clear History and Website Data. However, as you can see, it's blanked out here so we can't press it. If yours is like that, you will not be able to clear your history and we'll have to take one step backwards and go back to the main settings. And we want to come back to screen time. I want to tap into that. Then we want to swipe down slightly and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now on Content and Privacy Restrictions, we want to tap on Content Restrictions here. You may have to enter your screen time passcode. Now from here, we want to tap into Web Content here in the middle of the page. Now on this page, Allowed websites only may be ticked. That's why it's blocked out on the previous step before. So we want to tap on Unrestricted Access. Now we can keep tapping back till we get to the main settings again, and then we'll swipe down till we get to Safari. Then we'll tap into Safari. Now we'll swipe down again till we get to Clear History and Website Data. And as you can see, now it is all blue. So we can click this, then you'll be greeted with this pop-up, and then you want to select Clear History and Data. And it'll ask you, do you want to close the tabs that you have up or keep them? And that is personal choice what you want. So that's how to delete your search history on Safari on your iPhone. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.